Today's Camp Nou update shows rapid progress across multiple sections of the stadium. The structure is rising fast, with key cores taking shape while the facade system moves into its final structural layers. At the same time, massive compression ring elements are now in place, bringing major installations much closer. But the real story is how fast everything is accelerating right now, whether this is just visible progress or something more significant. This stage could redefine the entire project's pace. Progress work continues in the Gol Sur area with clear progress on the llama system. New anchoring points are being installed that will later support the facade structure. At the upper level, one anchor is already in place, while most of the activity remains in the lower section where several anchors are now installed across the main supports and false ceiling area. Nearby, work is also ongoing in another structural zone with a lift platform in operation. The main framework here is mostly complete, and the next phase will focus on finishing works and panel installation. There is also activity on a piston-like element, showing ongoing structural adjustments. Work continues with steady progress as a new support element is already installed in the lower section with prepared connection points. The structure is taking shape with vertical and diagonal connections forming the mobility core for elevators and stairs. The area is ready for the next phase, and the llamas here will reach mid-height due to the core design. Internal works are also ongoing, showing multiple activities progressing together. We see a section where finishing elements are being prepared to close off the area with interior cladding. On the left side, a worker is adjusting hanging components connected to the slab system, while black pipes are being routed through the structure. Further along, the previously delayed radial beam has now been lifted into position after resolving earlier technical issues. With this step completed, the structure is ready for the next connecting element in the coming days. The crane tower is active again, and the compression ring continues to develop steadily with more structural pieces being prepared. We stop in the central section to check for new additions, but the structure remains mostly stable with prefabricated seating elements and yellow support components still in place. Concrete panels for the mobility cores are already installed in the lower areas, showing steady development as we move toward the corner zone. In the corner area, work on the llama support system continues, with guiding elements recently installed to align future anchors. This section is well prepared and close to the next installation phase, with compression ring components also staged nearby. We focus on the corner area where the llamas system continues to advance, with the left side already fully covered and work moving through the right section. A llama is being lifted by the crane, with platforms positioned to guide and connect it to its anchor points. A red llama is already installed, showing steady step-by-step progress in this zone. In the interior, a lifting platform is active among the beams, while above, several black panels are already being installed onto their supporting structure. Nearby, two large beams are being positioned, likely for the third cantilever level, as crane activity continues moving structural blocks around the site. Meanwhile, concrete pumps are visible in the central area, though currently inactive, indicating upcoming work. We move near the tribune corner where vertical structural elements are now clearly visible across the section. These black beam structures are fully arranged in vertical position, showing steady progress and preparing the area for the next phase of work. Painting and finishing works are also ongoing, with protective coating being applied for long-term durability. Overall, this section shows consistent structural and finishing progress. We see workers in the diamond area of the shop working from a lift platform, installing finishing details that connect the glass sections on both sides. Visitors are also present inside the stadium, adding activity and movement around the construction site. In the corner zone, finishing and cleaning works continue on large beams, which will later be fully painted as part of the final detailing process. Across the stadium, multiple finishing tasks are ongoing as the project moves steadily toward completion stages. In the tribuna area, superstructure work is advancing with the installation of transverse elements designed to support future ceramic llamas. Progress is most visible in the central section, where structural activity continues with the support of lifting platforms. Core development remains uneven, with the left side already covered using sandwich panels, while the right core is still exposed and awaiting slab installation. This phase is crucial as it prepares the structure for upcoming facade and cladding work. That's all for today's update from the stadium, with steady progress continuing across all main structures. We'll be back very soon with another detailed look at how everything is moving forward.